So last time on Vimal's channel, you people got to check out his brand new gaming PC setup. But that was just like a part of it. You people actually missed out the main quest, how the PC was made and where was it actually built. Not to worry, today we'll be checking out that. So keep watching this video and stay tuned. Ah, what a beautiful day, right? Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today is like a very special day for me. So thing is, you people remember, right? Just a couple of days ago, I was saying that I'll be completely upgrading my entire gaming PC and also the setup, right? And that is happening today. After patiently waiting for quite some time, all my components and parts have arrived and this is where we'll be getting started with the video. So thing is, as I've told you, this particular PC, I'm not going to build it. So we will be actually collaborating with DMVP guys, and these people said that Vimal, this time we will build you like an epic looking water cooled gaming PC, both the CPU and as well as the GPU water cooled with all custom looping and bends, and this is going to be like one of the most beautiful and complicated looking gaming PCs in entire India, guys. So I am like super excited about this. So as I've told you, all the components have arrived, right? So we'll be taking all of these to their store in Kukatpalli, and that is where we'll be getting started. So without wasting any more time, let's get going. So guys, we finally arrived at the MVP store. Let's go inside and check out the place. Hi Amar bhai, how are you?
Hey Vimal, how are you? How's
Good
it going?
man, you tell me.
All
So
good.
guys, Amar, we are at DMVP and every time I come over here, I get like super excited because I get to see some amazing gaming PC systems, right? So Amar, tell me what's happening.
Today is a special kind of a thing that we're doing. It's a collab between Vimal and us.
Yes.
So it's going to be a top-notch gaming build.
So what are we doing? It's like a complete
It's going to
custom.
be a custom liquid loop system,
Yes.
GPU and CPU both.
Now that is what I'm talking about, guys. So yeah, why don't we like dig in and
Yeah,
talk about the
let's talk about
components?
the components, yeah.
Exactly.
Let's head over there.
Awesome, guys. Follow me.
All
Okay.
of these are our components, so let's quickly walk through them.
Oh, I'm like
Yeah. It's
excited.
12900K, the CPU.
Wait a second, hold it right there. So that was actually the initial plan. We were actually going with Intel's 12th Gen i9 CPU, and let me tell you, this whole plan was made like couple of weeks ago. But then Intel suddenly dropped their brand new 13th Gen, and I had to put this project on a hold. And now we are finally upgrading it to like Intel's 13th Gen i9, guys. So this whole thing happened in between. So there are lots of roads and routes you have to mix in and understand the whole video. Anyways, let's continue right now.
With a 3090 Supreme X from MSI.
Awesome.
Z690 carbon Wi-Fi and all liquid cooling components from Corsair, from the CPU block to the radiators to the piping, some fans from CM as well.
Yeah.
The RAM is Dominator series RAM.
Yes.
So yeah, that's also top notch.
Yeah.
And the case is actually a really special case. I like this case a lot. It's 5000T.
It's got like complete RGB zones everywhere, and it's a very beautiful looking case, right?
Absolutely.
And why don't you talk about this special EK water block that you got for the Supreme
Yeah.
X 3090? It's like one of a rare kind rare thing, right?
yeah,
Iske
yeah.
liye we had to wait almost like 2 weeks because it was
so this
not
is actually
available.
imported. It's not available in India very
Ah.
easily. So this was imported, and yeah, you will actually see it soon, I guess.
Ah, yeah, why not?
So Vimal, just let's leave this be. Our
Okay.
boys will take care of the assembly.
ठीक है.
In the meanwhile,
हाँ.
let's have a look at our testing and assembly area. Some special projects are lined up.
Oh,
I'd like to show
guys, come on in.
Come
Now,
in.
this is the spicy stuff I'm talking about. Oh, look at this. Every time I come over here, I'm like awestruck, man. Look at these beautiful systems.
Yeah. Some
Emma, tell
40
me what's happening.
you. Some 4090s, all of these systems are on test. They're actually
Oh,
playing
oh.
Valorant. This was a special person
Uh-huh.
who will not name, but yeah, build is in progress.
So looks like this build is like a suspense for somebody.
Yeah, yeah.
He's not revealing it right now. You'll get to know very soon.
Yeah.
But beautiful looking build, man.
So all these builds are on test right now, one by one. Some
Look at
assemblies
this.
are
Look
happening.
at these guys.
Okay, Amar, let's not keep them waiting. Let's get started with our build.
So I'm keeping all of this aside, coming to my PC. Mine is a very special edition. It's like a complete water-cooled custom loop gaming PC, right? Why don't you share some tips with the audience? Like, what are the benefits of actually, like going with custom loop on your PC?
So basically, when we do liquid cooling, the very first benefit is always the temperatures.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
For example, on your build right now, having a 3090, the max temperature we are going up to is 50 degrees.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
At full load continuously.
Yeah.
So you are never ever going to get that with a regular kind of a cooler.
Exactly. You heard the temperatures, right?
Yeah.
If you like water cool your GPU, you can reduce the temperatures to almost like 50, 55
Yes,
degrees. That is
absolutely.
like nuts.
At full load.
Full
4K.
load. If you don't do water cooling, usual temperatures around like 75.
Exactly. Yeah.
And coming to CPU.
CPU as well, we all know 12900K runs super hot.
Yeah.
At full load, at 4K loads and even rendering loads, we are seeing the upward limit barely crossing 70-75.
Correct.
So that's also amazing.
Yeah.
Considering 12900K is a CPU which is very hot.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Yeah. So for these now, you generally prefer going for like complete water loop custom setups. And main thing we're forgetting, the look, man.
Yeah,
the whole
absolutely.
DIY look, that is like complete next level. That's the main thing I'm
it's
actually
totally
going
down to your imagination. The case you choose, you can possibly do anything.
Yes.
Curls, bends, anything.
Spirals.
Exactly. You can do anything what you want.
What are you doing for my PC? You tell me.
I mean, I'm not going to say much. I would like to see your reaction. Vimal hasn't seen it yet. It's going to be amazing looking at his reaction when we just
Awesome.
pull it out.
So, what's the time it's going to usually take to build this whole thing from scratch?
From scratch, if we look at it, probably takes about 3 days.
3
with
days.
2 days of proper
Okay.
testing.
Okay.
So, like your build was put under load,
Yes.
48 hours continuously,
Correct.
without break,
Yes.
just to see what's
Just
happening
for
with the
your
temps.
info, guys, I gave the components, everything for my PC 1 week back.
Yeah.
And these guys took almost like 5 days, as he told, for the complete build. And after that, 2 days, so it went full on testing only to check for any water sort of leaks
Exactly.
and these sort of stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so right now the system is completely ready, right?
Yep.
We're good to
We're
reveal
excited
this
to
to our
show it to you.
audience,
Yep,
right?
absolutely, yeah.
Now I'm like super excited. Let's go,
Let's
man.
head
I
in,
can't wait. At the top floor?
Upstairs, it's in our studio. It's where we shoot all our YouTube videos.
It's in your studio, yeah? You shot any beautiful pics?
Yes, we have. We shot a small reel as well.
Oh,
You probably
oh.
like it. Come in. Are the lights on?
This is it, boys.
Yep.
The big reveal time. Oh, wow. All set, I guess.
All right.
And here we go.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? That is such a beautiful looking PC. Guys, look at this. Look at all the RGB lighting on the inside. Absolutely beautiful looking water cooled PC. RGB licious is what I can say. I mean, each and every component used over here is like a top tier part, and there's nothing less you can expect over here. Especially those spiral loops and unique bends in the custom loop. Mind blowing, guys. Next level gaming PC is what I can say. Just have a look at these beautiful shots, and I hope you enjoy the video.
So Vimal, how did you like this build?
Beautiful build, man. I mean, nothing less expected from these guys.
Awesome. So just a quick point. This actually went through 2 days of strenuous testing. The temperatures we have here, this is our quality report. Every build at MVP goes through this. So the temperatures, the GPU temperature is not crossing 50 at 4K loads.
Oh.
And CPU is kind of holding steady at 70 degrees.
Awesome. Now that is the reason we actually went with this custom DIY loop test. Big difference.
So the games you tested at 4K were Spider-Man, Red Dead 2, even the new God of War and all of that. Everything is working 60 plus FPS, in certain cases 100
Awesome.
at 4K.
So basically, कौन सा भी game,
Exactly. Anything you throw at it, it's
4K
gonna do it.
Ultra 60
Sab
plus,
kuch.
guys.
Sab kuch, yeah.
Dream gaming PC, I'd say.
Hope you like it, man.
Awesome. I'm gonna play lots of games after taking this back to my studio. And this is just like one part, guys. This is not the complete setup, right? I've got like brand new 4K monitors also. I'll keep that as a suspense for you people in the video. So anyways, guys, I had like so much fun coming back to MVP, working with you people, collaborating as usual. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this beautiful PC, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome videos. And also do check out their place.